One of the things that ACME MONACO specializes in are medical grade guide wires.
Let me show you some sample guide wires along with our capabilities.
Every day when we're producing this product, we have one thought in mind, and it's the fact that this product is going in somebody.
What we do is so critical. The quality has to be so critical. This is a life-saving device. This is going in somebody's father, mother, grandparent.
So if you're a distributor of guide wires and you need someone to manufacture those guide wires for you, please come to see ACME MONACO.
As a contract OEM manufacturer, we have requests for typical stainless steel construction guide wires, where it will be an uncoated outer stainless steel spring with a stainless steel core wire. We also have the capabilities of doing a nitinol core wire to offer that additional kink resistance. And we also offer a Lunderquist design type of wire where you have a stiff proximal and body section of the wire followed by a soft distal tip with a spring that's affixed to that portion. So here we have an example of a stainless steel PTFE pre-coated guide wire. Here's an example of some of our R&D projects where we've been working with a customer to develop a custom pigtail loop. And here we have the jacketed hydrophilic coated nitinol wire, the Slidewire, which has that lubricity. And here we have an endoscopic wire where you have various construction with a polymer jacket hydrophilic coated tip. And then you have heat shrink tubing on the body of the wire. And for this particular example, you have a Lunderquist design where you have a solid core, whether it be stainless steel and nitinol, and at the distal tip you have a coil to it, which can be stainless steel or a precious metal or a radiopaque marker for extra visibility purposes. We also do custom mandrels as well. Can be used for manufacturing aid oftentimes.
We're FDA and ISO certified contract guide wire manufacturer, which means we'll make it to your designs.
You are a buyer, you're an engineer, you're somebody with a problem that's looking for assistance, and we're happy to use all efforts to remedy that problem.
Let me refer you to our website. Here's where you can go to configure your own guide wire.